Yeah, well, I used to play many years ago. I used to play a lot for Namibia. I played Africa Games, Davis Cup, and up till 2007 I was playing. And then after that, I became the coach for the Davis Cup team till about 2018. So yeah, I spent a lot of time on the court myself as a player. And then at 2000, I started the tennis school. And from there, we've been building players and just trying to get these players to play international events, play college tennis, which I send quite a number of players to America to play college tennis. And that's the aim at the moment for our players. You know, we have a lot of very good young players, and we're grooming them now to become college players like Connor van Skalkwyk, Cody van Skalkwyk, those players we sent to America. Sadie Jacobs, we sent, Tuki Jacobs, we sent, you know, so it's a lot of players we sent in the last 14 years. And that's the aim for us, you know, is to get these players to become international players and, you know, get world ranking points and see if we can't get a professional player on the circuit.
So just tell us, what do you say is the vision for the club?
Well, at the moment, what we like I explained, you know, our plan is to get players in Namibia to start becoming more international players. So if you look at my son, you know, he's 14. He's played a lot of international events, winning international events outside Namibia. We had Marie van Skalkwyk now at the ITFs, you know, playing two double finals in the two events and the quarterfinals in singles. So the plan is to move players out of Namibia to play international events, you know, get those world ranking points going. And that also puts Namibia on the map, you know, because at the moment, you know, it's tough. You know, people don't know of Namibia, and you know, we want to change that. So that's the whole aim of the tennis school. We coach professionally and we coach competitively. You know, that's the thing. We don't just want to coach players just to play tennis. That we do as well, but our aim is to really create players that can compete internationally. Then I would also like to invite everybody to come join the tennis school. You know, we work from a 3-year-old age all the way through till 80 years old, you know. So I would like to invite everybody to come and join the tennis school. And even if you don't want to be competitive, we also have classes for those kind of players. So please come and contact me and join our tennis school. Then the other thing I want everybody to also just be aware of that Johan Tennis School just recently became part of the Global Initiative Program, and that's a program from Spain where we are part of this international program where we can send players overseas to different academies where they can go practice for free basically, and also just get more experience. Like my son Johan has been invited now to the Rafael Nadal Academy in May, where he can go practice there for 2 weeks and play a couple of tournaments as well. So you know, we have a lot of things internationally happening for the tennis school, and I would like everybody, if you want to and you want to become more serious about tennis, come join us, and then we'll put you on the right path to follow the Global Initiative Program as well. Thank you very much.